I see now is a zigzag mode. It's zigzag paving mode. QTJ. And normally the zigzag mode is the most popular used in Africa. And you know, I think 80% of our buyers get the block making machine will like to get this zigzag paving brick mode. Is what you see now. Good. After you think you feeding the material is enough, you will use this spreading pole. Try to spreading the material to area and give the vibration first time. Okay, this one. For the vibration time, the second time. Vibration second time. And now you spray out material out. Okay. And with this hook, drop down it. 离球远的能看上。These two vibrations switch on together. Now you can see the zigzag pavers is finished just now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And totally there are 12 zigzag pavers produced at one go. So you can see the density from the side surface. It's very beautiful. My friend, you can see the zigzag pavers surface, the top surface. You can feel it's very smooth, right? It's very smooth. So that means the compressor from the machine give to him is very high. It's very high. And also you can see from the side surface, it's also very smooth. That means also, you know, the machine can give the vibration force is very nice. But I try to stand up on the pavers, and you can see I try to jump down, right? Left my foot. Okay, you can see here. This location is where I dropped, but no damage. Okay, Frank. Mr. Frank, you can see the pavers I test for you now. Tomorrow I will deliver and arrange the shipment for you.